Noodles aren't my favorite to eat, but then let me gist you about this guy that dated two best friends as I cook. By the way, this was my first time trying the goat meat pepper soup flavor. So the guy's name was Dennis. So he had a childhood crush and close friend named Sarah. Sarah was dark, thick, tall. She was really beautiful. She was studying mass comm at Uniport. So she and Dennis had been friends since primary 4 until her family had to relocate after secondary school. They moved to another state and they totally lost contact. So both of them moved on, and Sarah had a best friend in school named Precious. Precious was a petite girl. She was caramel skinned. She was a very bubbly person in nature. Like, she was very social and interesting. So while in her second semester 100 level, Sarah started this hair business. She used to sell wigs. She borrows people's wigs. And this her friend Precious normally borrows her wigs a lot. Like, she likes to look good, so she likes to borrow the wigs a lot. This story is not going to end here. There's going to be a part 2. But what do you think? Have you tasted goat meat pepper soup flavor noodles before? I didn't really like it, but it wasn't spicy enough for my taste. But see you in my next video. Watch out for part 2.